Hello everyone, I am Darshan Kale and I am excited to be present my embedded system internship project. Title for this is automatic washing machine using PIC16F877A. I am currently interning at Emertxe Technology where I have had a opportunity to work on this project and gains hands-on experience in embedded system. Emertxe Technology is leading company in the field of embedded systems training and development, and I am grateful to be a part of their internship program. In this presentation, I would be sharing my project details including the design, implementation and results of the automatic washing machine system. The table of contents are what we learned, embedded C, microcontroller, components and problem statement project requirements. Let's talk about what we learned. Learning outcomes, basic of C programming, embedded system overview, microcontroller programming, microcontroller architecture, peripheral interfacing, LEDs, timers, switches, LCD, etc. Build a completed embedded application. Let's talk about embedded C. Embedded C, it contains data representation, string representations. In data representation, in embedded C, data representation refers to how data like numbers and characters are stored and managed in memory, typically considering hardware constraints like memory size, speed, and power. String representation. In C and embedded C, strings are arrays of characters terminated by a null character /0. In embedded C, operators and arrays. Operators are symbols used to perform operations on variables and values. Embedded C supports the same set of operators as standard C, but some are more frequently used due to hardware interaction. Arrays in embedded C. An array is a collection of variables of the same data type stored contiguously in embedded memory. Pointers and functions in embedded C. A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. Syntax for pointers is shown below. Functions. A function is a block of reusable code designed to perform a specific task. Syntax for functions is shown below. Microcontrollers. Let's talk about microcontrollers. Microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit, we call it as IC, designed to perform a specific task in an embedded system. It consists of processor, CPU, memory, and input-output peripherals on a single chip. Key features of microcontrollers are CPU for executing instructions, memory. Memory are two types, ROM, RAM. ROM, read-only memory or flash memory, stores program code. RAM, random access memory, store temporary data during execution. I/O parts, communicates with sensors, motors, display and many others. Timers and counters, time related operations, serial interfaces, UART, SPI, I2C for communication, UART, Universal Asynchronous Receiver and Transmitter, SPI, Serial Peripheral Device, I2C, Inter-Integrated Circuit for internal communication. It is low power consumption, ideal for battery powered devices. The problem statement of our project is shown. Project problem statement: microcontroller based washing machine simulation using PIC Sim Lab. Introduction: a washing machine is an essential household appliance designed to automate the process of cleaning clothes. It is what it uses water, detergent, and mechanical motion to remove dirt and stain from fabric, saving the time and effort compared to manual washing. In today's fast-paced world, automation has become a key aspect of modern life, helping to reduce human effort, improving efficiency, and increase convenience. On such an example, in automatic washing machine, which has a revolutionized household chores by automating the process of washing clothes. The project focused on development of automatic washing machine system, which is widely used in embedded system. The main objective of this project is to design the system that can perform different wash cycles such as soaking, washing, rinsing, and spinning automatically based on the user input and timing. A PICSIM lab, a powerful 8-bit microcontroller from Microchip, allows for precise control of the machine motor, valve, and sensors. The key components used in this are drum, electric motor, water inlet valve, drain pump, control system. Syncing circuit, current sourcing, current sinking. Current sinking and current sourcing: when a load is connected to a device so that the device supplies current to the load, then the configuration is said to be a current sourcing. Current sinking: when a load is connected to a device so that the current flows from the power supply through the load and into the device, then the configuration is said to be a current sinking. When current flows into the device, it is said to be a current sinking current. LCD display. An LCD consists of a layer of liquid crystal sandwiched between two transparent electrodes. When an electric current is applied, the crystal align on a control and the amount of light passing through them, creating the image you see on the screen. Tools we have used in these projects are MP LabX IDE. MP LabX IDE is an integrated development environment developed by Microchip Technology for programming and debugging PIC and DIC PIC and AVR microcontrollers. It provides a complete set of tools for writing, compiling, debugging, and simulating embedded application on microchip microcontrollers and digital signal controllers. XCB compiler. XCB compiler. The XCB compiler is a C language compiler developed by a microchip technology. It is used to compile code for 8-bit PIC and AVR microcontroller within the MPLAB X IDE environment. It translates human written C code into a machine code, example hex file, that can be programmed onto a microcontroller. PIC SimLab. PIC SimLab is an open source real time simulator designed for simulating electronic circuits and microcontroller based embedded systems, especially those using microchips, PIC microcontrollers. It provides a vital hardware environment where users can test embedded C code, microcontroller peripherals, and complete hardware setups without needing physical components. Online GDB for C. An online GDB is a pre-web-based integrated development environment that allows user to write, compile, debug and run C and other languages directly in the browser without installing any software. It is essential popular among students, beginners and professionals for testing small programs, learning syntax, and debugging code online. Let's see the demo of our project. Thank you for watching.